Welcome back to another ATER video. Today I'm doing a quick update on ATER. Now, really quickly, if I go to the 4-hour chart, if you guys did not watch yesterday's video, I said that, this is my second call I got right. I said that it looks like we could touch the top of the supply zone and then come down to the bottom of the supply zone, and a good place to buy was either off this trend line or in this box. You could kind of average out on both, and if we come over here, I got this other call right, which was pretty much telling you to buy in down here with this wick touched and sell up here. Over here. I didn't sell, I'm still holding, right? It's just places to buy and sell if you wanted to. I recommend you hold. And right now we touched the top of the supply box, came down to the bottom of it and jumped off this trend line. Now, this is what I see for ATER. I wonder if I come to the 1 hour, see we have crossed on the MACD a bearish cross on the 1 hour chart. So we could come back down, and we're testing the bottom of this supply zone. We could come down to about 325-ish because we did gap up here as well. You see that we've got this gap between the candle, and 90% of gaps fill. Every single gap on this stock is pretty much filled. So I do see this coming down to about 325 one last time. I don't think we're going to see that price level again after that. Now, after you buy in at 325, this is what I'm looking for. If we come to the 1 day chart, you can see that the MACD is almost ready for a bullish cross. What happened last time we got a bullish cross? Last time we got a bullish cross was right here, and the stock went like 220%. It went crazy. We're curling up. Last time we had a bearish cross was over here. We dropped down. We're about to, looks like, have a bullish cross. And we've got room to move on the RSI, and volume's been low, which is good. So if we have this cross, which is more of a macro scale, we could be looking at this blue line short term, which is about 390, but ultimately going back up to these all-time highs or these levels based off the previous move and how explosive it was. And now this community keeps getting stronger and stronger. I know it's hard when you guys see stocks like Redbox explode, but the thing that we have is we have a strong community, a growing community. If you go on Reddit and you check ATER stock community, Discord servers, we just continue to grow. And the more we grow, the higher the price range is, and the more sustainable we can run up. Like over here, the community wasn't as strong as over here, and it can just be even more sustainable. So this is macro. So on the hourly, I do see a bearish cross down to about 325, but on the daily, I see a bullish cross, which brings us up to this $4 mark, which we might have some trouble breaking through, but once we do break through, I feel like we're going to rally up very fast to these other support resistance levels really high up and eventually test all-time highs. Now, if I come over to the 4 hour, which is where I usually do my charting, you can actually see that it's using this as support as well, and this moving average is coming in. So it's possible that we don't even touch the bottom of this demand box. We just come with this moving averages, which could be around like this trend line, and bounce off that. And on June 17th, we've got this nice range of call options. So really nice base, and there are huge gaps in between each other, which means there's going to be huge volatile in between these gaps. Volatility. So between $5 and $7.50, there's going to be a huge push between bulls and bears between these levels. It's pretty volatile when there's huge gaps in the option chain like this, 12.50, 10, 7.50, unlike what we've seen before, which is 2.50, 3.50. And there's also quite a few contracts listed here for June 17th. So it'd be cool if we could start to get some of these in the money with this cross coming in. That's all for today. It's just a quick update, just documenting my work, and I'll see you guys in the next one.